Model, 69-plate Renault Trafic LL30 dCi 120 Sport. Very nice, needs turbo. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 79,995. MOT, the 29th of December 2024. Engine, 1997 CCM 920-120 Energy E60. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs fine, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is good, just needs straightforward turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, air-con, sat-nav, electric windows, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,550 plus VAT. Click the link.